Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, I want to welcome anybody that's new to this. We've been doing this webcast for about 10 years, every market day, on YouTube, all across social. We're expanding into Reddit. So for those of you that are new, thanks for checking us out. Daily chart of the S&P Futures. It's a continuation contract of the S&P Futures. We are preparing to roll from the June contract in the futures into the September contract. A lot of that's happening today. Most of it's happening tomorrow, and it will all be completed by Monday. So these prices are still June contract. We are still stuck between this 30 area that the bulls can't seem to be able to convert and weekly pivot, which we whipped down and did a really violent test of 8:30 this morning. Following the CPI numbers, then got hot back up, and they took it to 4206 and immediately back up to the 2426 area. Got us all stopped out of some 26 short runners that we were holding overnight. Very choppy day yesterday. Hourly chart, and you can see the consolidation. So this was CPI. You can see it's had a little bit of a lower bend through Globex, down to test weekly pivot again here. So your low here is 4207. Your low from Tuesday, 4205.75. So the bears have had two chances to take out the weekly pivot. They got run over. They got housed both times, and we're back up to this 4230 area. So like I've done the past few mornings with you guys. Let's draw some ovals. Draw a big oval here and another oval here, and these represent all the times that the bulls have tried to convert 4230 and can't get it together. So coming into today, it's another golden opportunity to convert 30. If you convert 30, then we get up into the area of the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. So what's the upper Bollinger Band for the new folks? It's this yellow line here. Okay, that's around 4260. Not saying that happens today, but once you convert 4230, then we've been in a consolidation mode. You can see all this consolidation. Consolidation then breeds expansion. Okay, up or down, don't know. Doesn't matter. Expansions go farther and last longer than you would ever expect. And that means there's plenty of time to get in and plenty of handles to be made. You don't have to be guessing here which way it's going to go. If this is a head fake to the downside that then can expand to the upside, I would imagine when we open, it's going to be a pretty quick attempt to take out, say, 35, 36. You got the all-time high up in the 38 area and start to run things to the upside. The E-mini, the S&P Futures, loves to close a contract on the contract high. And we're right on the cusp of that now. The contract high for June, 4238.75. And we are trading, 4231. So it's not a huge ask to be able to get any of that done. So big whippy candle here. But this, 4230 remains the area that has to get resolved. Otherwise, it's just a big box that we're stuck in. Hourly midband comes in today at 4223.25. Volume weighted average price and our proprietary moving average and the 5-minute midband are all jammed up between 4220 and 4221. If we do push down off of the open, 4220 to 4223 is an area that is really kind of a bull-bear zone. I would want to be long above that. I would want to be short below 4220 to see if they want to get another look at, say, 12 quarter or potentially back down to weekly pivot. As long as we're above that 20 to 24 zone, those dips become buys. You have to be patient and wait for that 4230 to go and then see if they want to ride it to the upside. It's been quite a few days. You can see how tight the bands are on the hourly chart, the Bollinger Bands, these two blue lines here. And as I back this out, I mean, you get smaller consolidation periods, but this has been a pretty long one. And the good news is the longer and tighter the consolidation, the better the volatility on the expansion. So we have that to look forward to. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Come check out the chat room. Come check us out on Reddit. Check us out on YouTube, social channels. And we've got a Facebook group that we're starting that I'm going to do some live Q&As in and things like that. So we're going to start bringing a lot more content out there for everybody as we head in through the second half of 2021. All right, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.